I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to my Arrow reaction and review show. It's been a while. We had that break. Why do they always give us these breaks? I guess it's for timing of the episode, but I'm hoping, I think it's from now until the end. We're going to just go to the home stretch of the season finale. Okay, so I am so happy we are back with Arrow. And it is the Birds of Prey theme episode. Woo-hoo. Okay, so we are going to watch Arrow season 7, episode 18, and the title is called The Lost Canary.
What? You can stay here with us.
Ooh.
I'll pass.
Nice. Canary cried. Very cool. Shadow thief?
Who are you?
Black Siren.
Yes, look at that! Who's she?
Still kicking ass, I see. I heard you were back in town.
And I heard you traded in your leather for a power suit.
Well, that suit didn't really fit.
Seems the entire city has turned against you.
Just reminded me that there's only one person I can trust.
Myself.
Myself.
It's too bad about Diaz.
What, that he didn't die sooner? I couldn't agree more. But at least he introduced us before he did.
It's gonna get pretty crazy in here.
Precious cargo.
No problem now.
Ooh!
Thanks for play.
Damn!
Time for our payday.
Dang. But I do love seeing her in her outfit. I miss that. I miss this Laurel, although a lot of people didn't like Black Siren. I do. I mean, just for this sense, it's really cool. And Felicity, you know, she knows that that's her friend. She's in trouble, and she just have that mother's instinct. You know, she's looking out for her friend. But I thought it was really cute. Oliver saying, you know, you've got a, what did he say? I was going to say a bun in the oven, but you're carrying special cargo. That's right, special cargo. All right, let's just see what happens next.
New outfit.
Whoa!
You think an arrow is gonna stop me? I think a trank arrow will. Do you know him? He's one of the long wanders. What are they doing mixed up in Emiko's mother's murder? That's a good question.
I'm not willing to let you just throw that all away and forget about it.
Look, I'm really sorry if you thought we had a real friendship, but it was all just an act. And don't you dare try and stop me.
But your sister will. That's where you're gonna bring in the sister.
Contra Galaxy wanted to put their master plan in motion, expanding Archer's influence into Star City and making sure they take out any and all opposition.
Starting with the Canaries.
How many have we lost? What are you gonna body count? From Roy, William, and Connor? But they've already confirmed 10 dead and 5 missing.
Don't do this, Laurel. Oh, I thought you'd be happy. You were right about me all along. Oh, and it's too bad that you don't have your cry anymore.
Yes!
But I still have mine.
What an entrance. Oh, and feel free to tell Laurel's new friend that it's a bad idea to leave old schematics just here out there.
Yeah!
What are you doing here? Yeah, same question. Aren't you supposed to be on your little spaceship or something?
I took a break to clean up your mess.
What is this, some kind of intervention?
I know you're not my sister, but another world or another life you could have been. And my father believed in you.
Well, he was wrong. But you're right about one thing.
Family drama.
You're not my sister.
Wow. Yes. So awesome. Longbow hunters. I knew he looked familiar. What is the connection? Well, wasn't the longbow hunters, weren't they employed by Dante anyways when they were working for Diaz? So I'm thinking that's the connection there. So they are part of the Ninth Circle or affiliated with the Ninth Circle. Okay, that I remember. Did they say William and Connor were dead? I don't think that was right. I must have heard wrong. Casualties? No, that wouldn't be right. Okay. So what are they fighting for? They're fighting to find Galaxy? Is that what's happening? Someone fill me out. I'm trying to understand. It's like you see Felicity and Dinah. It's like they look like they're the generals, overseeing this whole thing. But what's okay, what? I kind of lost that piece. Okay. Oh yes. That was quite an entrance. I knew it. When Felicity's trying to talk to Laurel, trying to get some sense in her, the only way to stop her is with her sister. Yeah. Of course, that is so cool. She's like, you're not my sister. It's like, well, my father believed in you. So there must be good in her. Even though she didn't say that, I'm just adding to the script. But I love it. This is a really cool episode. I'm loving it. And notice also, like the females, it flash forward, it's Zoe and Mia. So this is a very strong female eccentric. No, this is a strong female eccentric episode.
I have no idea who hired me. They never contacted me directly, then how'd they offer you the job? They directed me to a drop-off location. Once I got there, found a coin.
Was it an Italian florin?
No idea. All I know is that it was old. There was a microchip inside. Instructions to get my weapon, the target, once the job was completed.
Wow. Olden days. Old school. Yeah.
Well, I'm having deja vu in the best way possible.
Did Dinah read you the riot act?
Nothing I can't handle.
Come a long way from the IT girl secretly crushing on Oliver Queen.
Apparently it wasn't much of a secret. Everybody knew. Zero poker face. I always wondered, were you flirting with me all those times you said I was cute?
Why? Were you into it?
Of course, it's you. I missed you.
I miss you too.
Thank you for coming.
Of course. I just wish it had gone better. But Laurel will come around. All we have to do is get her away from her new BFF long enough to knock some sense into her. That is if you don't have to go back for any timey-wimey shenanigans.
Well, every time I leave the ship basically means the inmates take over the asylum, but it's fine.
Man, it is completely off the grid. Dinah wants me to go with her so she doesn't go in blind.
So we don't go in blind.
No. This is more of a two-woman job. Dinah wants to keep it above board.
Nope, got it. Not invited. Okay. Follow me.
Nope. Empty. Empty. It's a trap.
They played us.
Fake signatures. That is devious and impressive.
Uh-oh. my gosh, Felicity, you're pregnant, remember?
No, they're gonna kill us.
Hey!
Come with me. Instead of hiding in the shadows, let's take this fight to Galaxy 1.
The
We
galaxy.
can pay for blood with blood.
Damn.
Sometimes I don't know who you sound more like, your mother or your father. Do you know why I started the Canaries? What it represents? This is more than just some rebellion group. It's a support system. This is a way for women to know we always have each other's backs no matter what happens, whenever we need it most. Something I failed to do for a friend once. But ever since that happened with her, I made a promise to myself that I would never make that mistake again. That's why we wear these. To honor that promise, and the bravery, and the sacrifice shared with these amazing women who somehow, no matter how many times they get knocked down, they always find the strength to get back up and fight again. And that is exactly what the surviving Canaries are going to do together.
Oh, the
When
Canaries.
the time is right.
It's too bad I'm not a canary.
Yeah, she's Oliver's kid.
Thought I might find you here. It's pretty brave of you. Sneaking up on me from behind. If you wanted to kill people, you wouldn't have given that warning time before the bomb went off. I really miss him. It looks like you do too.
Is this you trying to convince me that I've changed? That I'm more like your Laurel?
No. Nobody's as good as the original Laurel Lance, not even me.
You.
Don't look surprised. Your friend's suit is basically a giant tracker.
You may happen to know somebody who's very good with a computer.
You brought your little friend with you. How typical.
It's not too late, Laura. Don't do this. That song of yours is getting a little old.
She's just walking around. Sachet, sachet, sachet.
Laurel.
God, you're here too.
Do you know what Shadow Thief is planning to do with that device?
Yes. Sell it for a lot of money, of which I get half.
Who do you think she's gonna sell it to? The Girl Scouts? The device is gonna be used to kill people.
Well, that's not really my concern now, is it? Move.
No.
Seriously? Felicity, don't you think you're just a little bit out of your element?
That is correct. I know that. But so are you.
Oh, for the love of God, would you give it up already? This is who I am. Do you not see that?
Who I see is someone that I believe in and someone that I really care about.
Felicity, what are you doing?
Forget living up to Laurel's legacy and forget being who Lance wanted you to be. What do you want?
I want you to get out of my way.
I guess if you're okay with that device killing people, you may as well start with me.
Me too.
And me.
See, I knew it.
I changed my mind. The deal's off.
I kind of expected. Thinking I had a backup plan.
Ooh! Oh no! Oh no!
Get out of here. Is the payload device big enough to clear the room? Yes. The problem is we're inside the building.
It's exactly why they won't be expecting it. How long do you need to arm it? 30 seconds. How are we gonna get out?
It's fine, aren't they? Let's buy it some time.
Come on, pregnant lady. Come on, preggos, move. Love it.
Come on.
All you need now is Batwoman. Love it! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Bomb. Woo! You're crazy, Felicity. This pregos is crazy. Hello, you're pregnant. Crazy.
Do that again. Is everybody okay?
You came back for me. We're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize till just now.
We are pretty badass together.
Birds of justice.
Something like that.
Time for drinks! Okay, so that was a cool fight scene. It truly was. Like I said, the only one missing is Batwoman. That would have been cool though, right? That would have been cool. Whew. Okay, so where do I want to take it from? Let's just take it from like with Mia, with that speech, that talk between Dinah and Mia. I mean, it's so true. Mia, she's off on her own planet. She's not a canary. She's the daughter of Arrow. She's the daughter of Green Arrow, so she's going to do whatever she wants to do. But it's just cool how Dinah just explained that, you know, for all females, for all women, to feel like they're not alone, she created the Canaries, that pin. I want one. Okay, so that was just a really cool speech. To get the time that she was missing people, or people who had died, or other women who were part of her Canaries. All right, that's cool. Okay, and then that speech, again, so then that talk between SARA and Laurel at the gravesite, and we saw Quentin's name there, and she wasn't going to give up on her. She wasn't. I mean, she was going to talk reasoning to her, and so I knew when she said, I need to get some air, when they were in the bunker, that, yeah, she was going to go see her sister at the gravesite. And sure enough, I guess, you know, I think she was just going to go there regardless anyway, but to know that Laurel was there was like, okay, you know, there is some sort of bond being created and stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool, that speech. I just like this whole storyline, you know, and for the fact that, yes, she was like, you're all here, even Felicity. Hey, pregos, what the hell? She's out and about, like, where bombs could explode twice. Hello, special cargo. Oh, man. If Oliver even knew the crap that she did to me, he'd be so pissed. So funny. Okay. But yeah, I love seeing the, you know, all, like, I love this Birds of Prey episode. It's just so cool. So cool. So, now what? I don't know. Let's just finish it off. Yep, drinks.
Ladies.
Hey, what's she doing? She can't drink that.
And to Laurel, thank you for
She's not really drinking that, is she?
And I am very, very sorry that I doubted you. That means a lot. I just wish we got Shadow Thief. We'll get her next time. So does this mean you're not gonna arrest me? I don't see why I would. This new evidence proves you didn't kill Hernandez, and you went undercover to bring down the Shadow Thief, so I am as surprised as anyone. Thank you.
And now that Laurel Land's upstanding citizen is back, everything can go back to normal.
Ah.
Actually, it can't.
Say what now?
I am so tired of running. It's time for me to go home now.
Home? Is a nurse too? Home?
Yeah.
Oh?
Someone in similar shoes told me if I wanted to be one of the good guys, that I needed to right my wrongs. And the only way to do that is to go back to where it all started. Yeah. Oh, well, I'll cheers to that. Yeah.
No!
Huh. I think I deserve 2 of these. I mean, come on, I worked really hard, so there. Cheers to me.
It's Laurel's Black Canary costume.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought you could use it here, but you know, maybe Earth 2 needs a Black Canary. You are still planning on being good, right?
I'm planning to try.
Good.
What? I didn't expect this.
I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it.
Oh, is she coming to the future?
After I say goodbye to Laurel.
Where's she going?
She found Laurel. But you said goodbye to her already?
Well, yeah. After we stopped her from going on a killing spree. Dinah and SARA. Yeah, that's SARA. And we did it. Super easy, you know. It was like Charlie's Angels without the feathered hair and casual sexism.
So that whole taking it easy thing.
Well, you know I'm not good at that.
No, I'm here now, so I'll take care of you.
Aww.
Well, you can start with the foot rub.
I'm gonna miss them.
I wish I could tell him how much it meant to me. He knew. He was the first person to make me feel like I was never alone. Enough. Anymore.
What? Canary. Okay, so then that's not Diggle? She's a stubborn one, isn't she?
So much for plan A.
Okay, so that's not Diggle. Wow! What? Okay, Black Siren? No. Yes.
I've seen you before. The old Green Arrow documentary. You're
A friend of your parents. You're lucky we got here when we did.
Dinah saying to watch my back.
That's what Canaries do. Give this to Felicity. You look so much like her. And you may not be a canary. And you still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. And don't screw it up.
That's cool. The Canaries. I like that. Look at, I'm smiling. I like that. Okay, so this was truly a satisfying episode. I love it. I love it, especially with the older Laurel. You know, in the future, for her to come back with her platinum white hair. So she's part of the Canaries. Did you see? She's wearing that pin too. She's got that pin on. She got the other young girls with her. That was so cool. Okay, so that wasn't John. I don't know why I would think that. Maybe like brainwashed or whatever. But we still, we don't know what happened to Dingle in the future. So I guess next week, because it's gonna be centered around him, we're gonna get to see what happened to him in the future. But we said goodbye to Laurel, in a sense. We said goodbye to Laurel in this Earth. So she went back to her old Earth. So no more of that. That's kind of sad, but I guess it closed things up because, what else was she going to do? I mean, she already did what she needed to do as a DA, right? She got Oliver out of jail. She did the best she could to get back to that life, that she wanted to be. But the reality is she had to go back home to where it all started and to just start there. So I thought it was really cool as a nice send-off. I just did not expect that in this episode. And no, I did not read any spoiler articles. I avoid that. I see, like, I'll be scrolling through and I'll see like a headline. It's like, nope. I've learned to just avoid it and not read anything. You know, I know about a couple things that happened, but it's like, gosh damn it, I should have read that. Anyways, that was cool. That was really, really cool. And I was like looking at pregos. You're gonna be like, why do you keep stop calling Felicity pregos? No, because it's like, damn girl, you're pregnant. It's like, and yes, I wanted that drink for her. And I was like, is she really gonna drink that? And it's like, ooh, very good. Thank God, Laurel saved the day. So that was cool. And that episode, you know, where supposedly the sisters are again at the gravesite, that was cool. I love that. I mean, it's been a long time since we've seen them together again, you know, to share the screen. So it was really cool to see that. I really liked it. What else can I tell you? Oh, and I'm surprised. I thought I thought Felicity would be home before Oliver, but it's the other way around. And he was just surprised that, what, Sarah's back? And she's like, yep, I'll fill you in. So cute. All right. All in all, this was a great episode. And of course, at the very end, you know, what Laurel said to Mia, it's like, you look so much like your sister. Wait, she said, you look so much like your mother. And you're not a canary. And you still got a long way to go to be a hero. So don't screw it up. That was cool. That was cool. So you know that they're thinking about actually making the Flash Forwards Star City 2040 a spinoff. I'm totally for it. I would just love to see that. I really would. Yeah. Okay. Anything else I want to talk about in this episode? No, I think it was great. I mean, I loved it. I love this. I mean, it had action. It had the right intensity, you know, with the conflicts that I look out for. It was good. It was good. It was a great combination of just a strong female presence. It was awesome. It was awesome. I really liked it. So, yay! Okay. All right, everybody. Let's go ahead and do shout-outs. All right. So, we are going to get back on track with these reaction videos, right? Tomorrow's going to be the Flash, so I got to watch that one. Okay. So, shout-out. All right. So thank you for the people who left comments and just having a conversation with me. I love it. Okay, so hey, what's up to Amp Talk 2? Ichisinko, Top Gig, Ahmed Ibrahim, and Liv Bish. Yeah, I said that. Stephen Grandpa, Michael Maxey, and Erastus Mundingi. All right, fellas. I'll talk to y'all later, and I'll see you next time. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out my podcast team, Everyday Nerd Podcast. You can see on my other, I'll put the link on my description. But yeah, check us out on Facebook, Everyday Nerd Podcast. We've got a April Battle of the Champions bracket leading up to the Avengers Endgame. All right, everyone. Bye.